Hi there, this is Chef Shelley coming to you from the PH Miracle Center with today's recipe, which is one that is so fantastic because what kid or what adult do you know that doesn't love ranch dressing? I think every child I know will eat vegetables as long as you have ranch dressing to dip those vegetables in, right? And many adults are the same way. So ranch dressing, if you look at the ingredients in the store, it's not very healthy. And it's also acidic. Usually there's vinegars involved in store-bought dressings and such. So we do like to make our dressings very fresh here at the PH Miracle Center. Today I'm going to give you a recipe by our head creative chef here, John Helmers at the PH Miracle Center. He does beautiful work, beautiful presentations, and he came up with a healthy alkaline version of ranch dressing called ranch mock dressing. So we're going to start with the juice of 2 lemons. And I really like to squeeze the lemons here into the Vitamix through my fingers. And I use my fingers as kind of a catch-all, a little sifter there for the lemon seeds. And it's that fresh lemon tart taste in the ranch dressing, or any dressing for that matter. We don't use vinegar. So we counsel people to use lemon or lime juice instead. So you can already tell this dressing is going to have quite a tart flavor to it just from the juice of 2 lemons. That's quite a bit of lemon juice. And I think John's been very creative in getting the white part of the dressing through 2 white foods. Cauliflower, raw cauliflower. He's got 2 cups in this recipe. And also almond milk. So that'll give us the white part of the dressing and also the creamy part of the dressing for our creamy ranch. And then he's been very creative with his seasonings. And I'm sporting a new apron. Maybe you've noticed. I'll let you see it here. My apron says, needs salt. And we at the PH Miracle Center in our publications, we're teaching people why salt is so important in the diet. And if you're eating acidic and you're eating a lot of salt, there can be problems with that. But if you're eating alkaline, salt should not be a problem in your diet. So we use salt liberally, and today I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of real salt in this dressing recipe. Next I'm going to be putting in 4 raw cloves of garlic. And we'll go ahead and add our 2 cups of cauliflower in there to get our creaminess. And then we have 2 cups of fresh silky almond milk. If you haven't seen it already, we're able to make the almond milk in a new juicer called the Power Pro Grind. And we can make that almond milk that you're seeing there in one easy step, and the juicer takes care of all the skins on the almonds, and I'm really excited about that. Also, we have half a cup of sunflower seeds, raw sunflower seeds. Now, these could be soaked. Today I'm putting them in dry because I have plenty of moisture in the recipe. And we're going to use 1 tablespoon of red onion. We're going to use 1/4 of a bunch of parsley. We'll take the stems off there so they won't be tough. And also 1/4 cup of fresh chives, which I think will give that dressing that really beautiful oniony flavor. And then we're going to put in 1/2 cucumber just for the body of the dressing. Cucumber has such nice fiber in it, and it has chlorophyll in the peel. The seeds are very small in English cucumbers, so we're going to go with that. And then we'll add the seasonings while the blender is running here. So I'm working with the Vitamix today, and we'll just turn this on, and then I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of deliciously dill. You could use any other type of dry dill or fresh dill if you wanted. We'll be doing about 1 teaspoon of garlic herb bread seasoning, and then again 3 tablespoons of real salt. So let's hit the switch. This is beautiful. This is coming out a very, very nice, light, milky green color. Nice texture to this dressing that could be very pourable over salad. And it just smells so good. I'm going to take a little bit of a taste here. A little bit of this parsley stem. Oh, nice. Very nice. This is the mock ranch salad dressing. And we'll see you again on the PH Miracle Network, phmn.tv. And thanks for watching.